welcome to my vlog. In this video, I will introduce myself. I am Rian Filipinas, but you can call me Yan, Ian, or Rian for short. I am 18 years old. I'm a young student of Commandant National High School. I like people na mga understanding na tao, and then same vibes sa akin. Ay, di ko ganahan ang mga tao nga. Like, di ko lang gano'n din ang rat in anak. Joke, because. And my favorite colors are black and white. There's a story mo. Lahat ng colors na. And, kaya ko good. Like, lahat ng mga colors ako kay. Like, di ba if black kay, like, di ko siya matapos ng problems, di mga obstacles. So, whenever yung ginagawa ko mga problems, there's a light na like, parang give lang ako na sana mga problems, makasagay ko, na ako na usa, or, like, kaya ako na lang. Then my favorite subject are math, science, mape, also recess. My favorite foods are apitada, minuto, and I also love spicy foods. Like na mga foods, kaya tingaling na isagi na okra. Hate na po ang vegetables na okra. And my favorite vegetables are kalabasa, pechay, carrots. So what are my hobbies? Since I was a kid, I love playing badminton with my cousin and friends. And I also love volleyball, playing basketball with my brothers. And kanang ganahan ko dancing, and I also listening to music and hiking, kanang hiking sa Valencia with friends, then watching TV, then traveling, like blah bisag asa, kaya ganahan ko ma-explore with friends. So what are my skills as a student? I love solving mathematic problems. What are my strengths? So my strength is loving what I do. And my weakness is I can say no to others if na sila need na akong help while I'm also struggling with my own. What are my memorable experiences? So, siya to great sense ako. Naglaag with friends, yung masugig Valencia, mabot sa Kuya Mountain, like, may good lang. Parang nag-hiking na yun ni. Kauban sila ang Jumelo, Isabel, Jasmine. Parang mga laag-laag na mo, street food together, coffee together, kanang maligod dagat. Future goals. So my future goals are to boost my confidence and to travel abroad. So sige sa first. So since I was a kid, elementary, my first future goal is to boost my confidence. But I don't know lang until now, dili ko na ako mag-boost ang confidence and meron may opportunity na nawala. So second is to travel abroad or stay abroad. So, mga future goal din ako, long-term future goal, makaka-travel abroad with family, friends, sa mga lugar na gano'n ako ituan, like sa Paris, Japan, Canada, and to stay abroad. No, dyan na. Like, kailangan ko stay abroad kaysa dili sa Pilipinas stay. I think mas daghang tinali kang opportunities sa abroad if you don't stay. So, let's talk about my career. So, my career, since pag high school na ako, grade 7, murag ganahan ko mahimong teacher. I think murag, I want to be a teacher. Yun. Pagtungtong na ako sa senior high ata, grade 10, like, na-change ako mind na I want to be a lawyer someday. Okay? Naganahan ko, like, marang help na ako other people na mag-get ilang justice. Di lang sa ila ha, but also sa, sa akong self, joke. Sa my career are, I want to be a teacher or a lawyer someday. My motto in life is, and I quote, "The only way to do great work is to love what you do," end quote, by Steve Jobs. So this quote highlights to me that when you are truly passionate about your work, it goes beyond job responsibilities and inspires great work that make a difference in the world. And that's the end of my vlog. See ya!